everybody, my name is Dancy Bearded. I have a confession to make. I love beards. And today I am making content for Dead Man's Beard Co. And the owner, Bryant, great dude, reached out and said, one of the topics we keep getting hit in the emails over and over again with is potential new customers or people that just bought their first beard products. And they are saying, beard dandruff, Beardruff, flakes coming off of my beard, specifically onto my shirt. Do your products help with that? And the most interesting thing is, Deadman's has been getting more emails from the females in those guys' life than the actual beardsman himself, where you have wives, fiancés, girlfriends reaching out saying, what can you do to help my husband? Every time I go to caress his beard, it's like it's snowing on his shirt. Got you. There are two products and then two little methods I'm going to give you to really clean up that beard dandruff, and I have a very, very confident 99 point whatever percent certainty that it's going to help almost everybody watching this video. Number one, drink more water. Almost always there is an aspect of beard dandruff of dehydration. There's no beard product in the world that can really mask poor health, dehydration, especially if we zoom out and look at a long enough timeline. Drink enough water, balance your electrolytes, all the healthy habits, right? That's really, really big. Number two, and this is before we're getting to the product side of things, every single day in the shower, exfoliate your beard, and I recommend with a comb, something like a carbon fiber comb. What this does is you're essentially raking the skin and you're dislodging any buildup. Beard dandruff is buildup. It can come from dead skin cells. It can come from buildup of products such as wax, if you're using wax products. It can come from buildup of poor quality products that you were using before Deadman's. You have stuff on your skin and then it's getting dislodged and then onto your shirt, the ground, whatever it may be. In the shower, we want to get rid of it. We want to dislodge that stuff. So you're going to rake the skin. I first go down, then I go underneath and out. I go a little bit sideways. I try to cover every angle I can, and then I'm rinsing the beard. Step number three is beard wash in the shower every single day. If you can only go with one, I highly recommend the Daily Gentle Beard Wash from Deadman's. This one is in the Supernova scent. Beautiful scent, great experience in the shower. And this is something that if you wanted to every single day of the year, you could use. The only exception I would say is I personally do recommend a stripping wash, which Deadman's offers a liquid stripping wash one of those days a week. You can make it Sunday, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. That's not a necessity, but it can help out. So exfoliate in the shower, break all that stuff up, and then we're going to cleanse and clarify to get rid of all those things and go in, and if you have stuff that's stuck to the follicle, that's building up on the hair, that's just sitting on the skin, we want to get rid of it. Not only are you helping beard dandruff, you're getting rid of allergens, you're getting rid of food, you're getting rid of smells, whatever might be lodging onto that beard, because let's face it, from nature, this is a filter. It's around our mouth. It's under our nose. It has a purpose. It's going to do its job. That, my friends, is almost everything you need to prevent that beard dandruff. The final step is important though, and that would be using quality beard oil out of the shower. Today I grabbed the matching one. I got Supernova over here. I'm going to smell great, but above all, that nourishment is going to absorb into the skin, soothe it, not have that dryness kind of flaking up, and it's going to treat the follicle as well as the hair. If you follow those steps, drink more water, exfoliate your skin, wash daily, oil out of the shower, using the appropriate amount of oil, you're going to see a quick turnaround on beard dandruff. This isn't something where a company tries to string you along and say like, oh, let's wait 9 months to a year for results. No, you should probably notice the very first day. Within a week, it should be entirely gone if you're doing it correctly. Down below, you guys, leave a comment on this Deadman's video. Have you ever experienced beard dandruff, or did you skip that step and you had some good information? Wink. Or is it something you're battling currently? Did you try this method? Did it make a difference? This is a channel that Deadman's is really going to invest some time and some resources in, and I'm very proud to be part of this team. Thank you guys for checking it out today. Go look at that Deadman's website.